Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so today we're going to be rounding decimals, I'm sorry, I apologize. Y'all have been rounding numbers since 3rd grade, I know of. So it's the same concept, it's just that you got to know your place value. Knowing your place value is key. I mean key, okay? So the way that I do this fold, just to FYI, I fold the paper in half, and then I fold it again, okay? So that I have this perfect little column over here for your example. So, the example is round 149 and 54/100ths to the nearest tenth. Okay, this is why it's so important to know that place value. Alright, so step 1, we're going to underline the place value that is being rounded. Okay, so our number is 149 and 54/100ths. So that 10th place, I heard somebody say it, is right after the decimal. So that's the number we're underlining, all right? Okay. Step 2. Step 2. We're going to look at or circle the next place value. And in this case, the next place value is the hundredths place. Good job, whoever said that. This number's already been underlined, so I'm going to circle this number next to it. Alright? Step 3. I'm going to decide whether this next place value, in this case the hundredths place, or the circled number, is larger or smaller, actually, larger or equal to 5 or smaller than 5. So, our number is 149 and 54/100ths. I've got this number underlined and this number circled. So in my head, I have to decide. This is my thinking bubble. Y'all have seen those before, right? Greater than, equal to, or less than 5. And in this case, 4 is less than, right? Let me put that in blue so you know what you're doing here. So this is what this step is about. This is your thinking bubble. So this is what you're thinking. Is this number equal to, larger, or smaller than 5? Alright? So once you've got that decided, and we've decided that 4 is less than 5, in step 4, in step 4, 5 or greater change the underlined number, underlined place value rather, to the next digit. Okay, next digit in line. Or less than 5. Keep the underlined number underlined place value rather, sorry. The underlined place value the same. Now, for ours, we said, okay, 4 is less than 5. So I got to go find my less than, because I got less than right here, right? I got to go find my less than, and it says if it's less than 5, I'm going to keep that underlying number place value the same. So this 5 is going to stay a 5, okay? Because it's less, because 4 is less than 5. All right. Step 5. Add zeros. That will complete the original place value. Okay, so we've come with 49.5. Now our original number had 2 place values in it, right? 2 place values after the decimal rather. So I've got to replace this 4, and I'm going to replace that with a 0. All right? So this is rounding decimals. You should see that it's the same thing, right, as when you were doing other place values. All right? So there's one more thing we got to write. So you can go ahead and pause this right here so you can make sure you have all 5 of these steps in your math journal. Okay? Now, the next thing you're going to write up in this area up here. All right? You're going to take you whatever your favorite color, and I want you to write a 5 really big up there. All right? And I want you to do this, and then I want you to do this. All right? All right. So, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right? This is called rounding down. And when we round down, the number stays the same. Right? So over here, numbers to the left stay the same unless we have to carry or regroup. Okay? Numbers 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. This rounds up. Round down and round up. Okay? It increases by 1. Numbers to the right. Numbers to the right become 0. Good. I heard whoever I heard say that. Good job. Become 0. Okay? So, our 2 examples. Make sure you save some space when we go over these together. We're going to round 7 and 124ths to the nearest hundred. So these are going to be our examples. You can go ahead and work them out, but these are going to be our examples, all right? And our second example, oops, I didn't realize you couldn't see that. We're going to round $9.76 to $9.76 to the nearest dollar. All right, so you work on those. Make sure you leave yourself some space in case you got yours incorrect. That way we can correct that when we go over it with our notes.